Okay, Tanishq. Yes, beta. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Do you know the meaning of sugar syrup, beta? Sugar syrup in Hindi, you call it chasni.
Chashni.
Right? So chashni is over there, which is called sugar syrup, and by volume 30% it is there. I don't know if any one of you has seen this preparation of gulab jamun or what do you call rasgullas at home. Have anyone seen? Anyone?
Yes.
किसी ने भी देखा है? If you have seen carefully, when you dip the balls, जो आपके balls होते हैं गुलाब जामुन या रसगुल्ला के, जब आप उसको dip करते हो sugar syrup में, then its size increases. Its size increases. And why the size is going to be increased? Because it is going to absorb some sugar syrup. तो जब वो अपने अंदर sugar syrup absorb करते हैं तो उनका size क्या हो जाता है? बड़ा हो जाता है. If you get to see it next time, pay attention to this point, that the size will definitely increase after putting it into the sugar syrup. So uska 30% volume jo hai is sugar syrup. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns, each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends. What is the shape of the gulab jamun? Beta, ek to spherical gulab jamun hota hai, which is very common, you must have seen. The another one is like this. Have you seen gulab jamuns of this shape?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
In this question, we have given gulab jamun of this shape only, the second shape, right? So let us first try to figure out the shape of the gulab jamun. The shape of the gulab jamun is cylindrical with two hemispheres attached to both of its ends. Yes, beta? Okay. So these are the two hemispheres attached to two of its ends. According to you, what will be the volume of one gulab jamun? How to find the volume of the volume of
Volume of cylinder plus volume
Volume of cylinder plus volume of two hemisphere.
two
yes, volume of
hemispheres.
cylinder plus volume of these two hemispheres, right? So we will find the volume of one gulab jamun like this. After beta finding the volume of one gulab jamun, what is 30% of it? 30% of the volume of one gulab jamun is equal to the amount of sugar syrup in it.
Yes,
Ji beta? And how do we find 30% of anything? Is it 30 upon 100 and off replaces into? Is it what we mean? By 30% of
yes, ma'am.
this formula will give me amount of sugar syrup present in one gulab jamun. This formula will give me amount of sugar syrup present in one gulab jamun. We have to find the sugar syrup present in 45 gulab jamuns. How to find the volume of 45 gulab jamuns? This is the amount of sugar syrup in one gulab jamun. To find the sugar syrup present in 45 gulab jamun, what should we do, beta?
Multiply by
45.
Multiply by 45. Such an easy task. That's it. So this thing seems to be very easy. Now, what is the complicated task over here? The only complicated task over here is to find volume. Right, beta? And as discussed, volume of one gulab jamun is volume of cylinder plus volume of two hemispheres. All right? All right? Yes? And let us read the dimensions. Each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends with length 5 centimeter and diameter 2.8. Diameter is 2.8. What will be this radius, children?
1.4.
1.4.
0.4.
4. Likewise, this should be 1.4. Total length is 5. So can we find the length of cylindrical part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How?
Ma'am, 5 minus 1.
Ma'am, 5 minus 1.
5 minus 2.8.
5 minus 1.4 and then again 1.4. So that will give me 5 minus 2.8, which will be equal to?
Point.
Yes.
2.2.
Let radius R is equal to 2.8 divided by 2 centimeter, which is equal to 1.4 centimeter. Okay. Is it readable clearly, boys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Length of cylinder H, 5 minus 5 minus 2.8 centimeter.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, do we have to make the figure that is given in the book?
Yes, this rough figure you should be making. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, volume of 1 gulab jamun. Volume of cylinder plus 2 into volume of
Hemisphere.
hemisphere. Right? Now, volume of cylinder is, what is the formula for volume of cylinder?
Pi r square h.
Pi r
Pi
square.
r
Pi
square.
r square h.
And volume of hemisphere?
2 by 3 pi r
2 by 3
by
pi
3
r
pi r
cube.
2 by 3 pi r.
3 pi r cube.
It has to be multiplied by 2 because there are 2 hemispheres. All right. Now, what can be taken common, beta?
Ma'am, pi r.
Pi r.
Square can be taken common. So this becomes pi r square in the bracket h plus what is left here? 2 into 2?
4 by 3 r.
Okay. Is that clear? Now, I would say let us do all the steps. In the end, we will do the calculations. So this is pi r square h plus 4 by 3 r. ठीक है बेटा? Now, let us find volume of 45 gulab jamuns. So this will be equal to 45 pi r square. This will be multiplied by 45. And beta, if you take LCM, 3 and 1, what is the LCM of 3 and 1?
3.
3.
So I have taken LCM in this step. 3 and 1 LCM is 3. So this will be 3 into H, 3H plus 4R. Right? So in the next step, we can cancel this 3 and this 45. Okay? And what is the final step?
Calculation.
Sugar syrup present in 45 gulab jamuns is equal to 30% of the total volume, which is 15 pi r square in the bracket 3h plus 4h. जी बेटा, so 30% here means 30 upon 100 into 15. Let us keep putting the values now. Pi is 22 by 7. R is 1.4 into 1.4. 3h. What is h given? 2.2.
2.2.
So 3 into 2.2 plus 4 into 1.4 centimeter cube, because we are dealing with the volume. So it should be centimeter cube here in the end. Okay. Now let us do the calculations, children. Zero and zero cancel. Now here can you see what is 3 into 2.2? This will be 6.6.
6.
And 1.4 into 4.
5.6.
And 5.6 plus 6.6. That will become 12.2. Can you cancel this 7 and 14? 1.4.
Yes, ma'am.
0.2.
0.2. And this 10, if you want to cancel here, in the table of 5, this will be 2, this will be 3, and then 2 ones are, and this is 11. So that is how you can do calculations in your own way. I'm just writing the simplified version. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 11, 99. 2 into 1.4, 28. And then decimal after 2 places. So 0.28 into 12.2 centimeter cube. Now you need to have patience to multiply this big number. Please do that. Find up till 2 places of decimal. Anybody can tell me fast. Yes, I am waiting. Mayank, you may pause it.
4.
Okay. So 338.18 centimeter cube of sugar syrup would be present in 45 gulab jamuns. Clear? Yes.